So hello guys, welcome back to another video na naman. And ngayon mag-review ulit ako ng movie. Yun. And ang movie na to, title Pisay, P-I-S-A-Y. Ayun yung i-review natin yung movie. So yun, tulad nung last time na ginawa ko, di ko ulit papakita yung mga scene or clips sa movie kasi baka ma-copyright na ako and baka ma-delete yung video ko. So naganda na lang ulit ako dito ng mga questions and answers. In-answeran ko na para madali na lang siya. Yun lang. Ayan, simulan natin itong review natin sa movie na to. Okay. What is the movie all about? The Pisay movie is a 2007 Filipino drama film directed by Solito. The film is set during the politically tumultuous era of the late 1970s and early 1980s in the Philippines. Particularly, under the regime of President Ferdinand Marcos, it tells the story of 8 high school scholars at the Philippine Science High School, a prestigious institution known for its rigorous science and technology curriculum. The narrative follows the students from their freshman year in 1982 through their senior year in 1986, capturing their personal growth, friendships, and academic challenges against the backdrop of significant historical events, including the assassination of Benigno Aquino Jr. and the subsequent People Power Revolution. Number 2. What is the theme of this film? What are the filmmakers trying to tell us? The theme of Pisay revolves around coming of age, the pursuit of dreams, and socio-political awakening of the youth. It is a story of personal and collective growth set against the backdrop of tumultuous period in Philippine history. Number 2. Is the movie at all similar to what's happening in real life? Why or why not? While a historical drama set in the 1980s contains themes and situations that resonate with contemporary real life experiences, making it relevant beyond its specific time period. Here is an exploration of its similarities with real life both during its setting and in present times. Political climate and youth activism. The film is set during the Marcos dictatorship, a period marked by political repression, human rights abuses, and widespread corruption. The youth, including the students in the film, were significantly affected and many became politically active. Number 4. What are the key points that are most memorable for you throughout the whole movie? Several key points and scenes in Pisay stand out for their emotional depth, character development, and thematic resonance. There are my most memorable moments throughout the movie. Introduction to Philippine Science High School. The film begins with the freshmen arriving at the prestigious Philippine Science High School, setting the stage for their journey. The excitement, anxiety, and awe of entering such a highly regarded institution are palpable. Number 4. What are the key points that are most memorable for you throughout the whole movie? Several key points and scenes in Pisay stand out for their emotional depth, character development, and thematic resonance. Here are my most memorable moments throughout the movie. Introduction to Philippine Science High School. The Philippine The film begins with the freshmen arriving at the prestigious Philippine Science High School, setting the stage for their journey. The excitement, anxiety, and awe of entering such a highly regarded institution are palpable, highlighting the significance of these milestones in their lives, character development, and friendships. As the students settle in, the film does an excellent job of developing their individual characters and the dynamics of their friendships. The interactions between the main character, their camaraderie, and the challenges they face together form the emotional core of the story. Lastly, number 5. What did you learn from this movie? Importance of education. The film underscores the transformative power of education. It shows how education can open doors, provide opportunities, and shape individuals' futures. The dedication and hard work of the students at Philippine Science High School highlights the value of academic perseverance. So, guys, yun lang yung marireview ko sa movie na to. Sorry, di ko na napakita yung mga scenes and clips na ipapakita ko. Kasi baka madibit kasi yung video and baka kasi madibit yung video, hindi nyo mapanood. And kung ma-rate ko man to sa 1 to 10, ang movie na to, 8 lang. Hindi ko siya masyadong gusto. Pero maganda naman yung movie. Maganda yung pagkakakwento. And sorry sa mga pronunciation ko sa ibang words. Hindi naman kasi ako fluent sa English na to. I'm still learning pa naman mag-English. So, yun lang. Yun lang masasabi sa movie na to. And, yun lang. Thank you guys sa panonood ng movie review na to. Title pa nga pala na itong movie na to ay Pisay. You guys should watch it para malaman nyo kung anong meron dun. Pero maganda naman. So yun lang. Thank you sa panonood ng video na to. And see you guys in the next videos.